Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to register IDM for lifetime free access. So first you have to go to any web browser and then type download internet or internet download manager. Okay, so you have to install first this IDM, and then you go to your download folder, right click, run as administrator, and then you can now start installing your IDM here. So the very first thing you should do is to install your IDM. Click next, tap this box right here, and then next, and then next, and then next, and you just have to wait till it finish everything here. So once you have installed your IDM here, what you're going to do next is you have to install this IDM trial reset by going to GitHub, and then you can just type GitHub IDM trial reset, scroll down here, and then you have to look for this IDM trial reset and then tap this. So you have to download this one. So you have to wait. This is a zip file, so you have to click the folder and then extract this file right here. You can extract this IDM trial reset to a specific folder. So once you extracted this to a specific folder, all you have to do is to open that folder and then run as administrator or install this IDM reset trial again. So this is what it looks like. Let me open that folder. Tap this, run as administrator, and then you have to tap register. So let me open it again. Click register here, register now. Okay, and then wait, click OK, and then wait till you see you are registered now. So as you can see, it will take about seconds or a minute. It depends on your processing or your internet connection, but you just have to wait for that. So you will be notified if you are registered. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. So once you see this, what you're going to do next is to open your IDM again. And there you can have the lifetime access in your IDM. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.